Good day and welcome back. Pika Bank is an interesting power related project. A portable 5-volt power source called Pika Bank is designed to power 5-volt devices including microcontrollers, development boards, smartphone and other similar devices. The name Pika is a play on the name of a well-known anime character Pikachu from Pokemon series. Thunderbolt is one of Pikachu's attack and he is an electrical type Pokemon. This device is similar and can supply a steady voltage for operating of XYZ 5-volt devices. It functions essentially as a power bank because it has an IP5306 IC, a power management IC that is frequently used in commercial power bank circuits. This video is about the construction of this power bank, so let's get started with the build. In order to power a range of 5-volt operated devices, we start by designing the schematic for the PCB, which includes the IP5306 IC, a power management IC with 3.7-volt input and stable 5-volt output. I have used this IC in many of my previous projects, which you can check out on my channel. The IP5306 IC is placed first in the schematic along with a few capacitors between the charging in and ground on the input side and few between 5-volt pin and ground on the output side. An 18650 battery holder, a type C port for charging and a USB port for 5-volt output are all placed on the bottom side of the PCB. Moreover, two 10mm LEDs has been added to the board's top side near the Pikachu's cheek. This design was finalized and then sent to PCBWay for samples. PCBWay provide the PCBs for this project. We upload the Gerber data to their PCBWay quote page and place an order for yellow solder mask with white seal screen. We receive the mAh lithium cell is being used to power this whole setup. We place the lithium cell in its SMD holder in the correct polarity and press the toggle switch once to turn on the 10mm LED. mobile charger or reliable 5-volt power supply, since it's originally a power management IC that is frequently used in commercial power banks. Overall, this arrangement is functioning and capable of powering variety of devices, which include an Arduino board and a mobile phone. For majority of gadgets, it can supply stable 5-volt output. The system can only output maximum current of 2 ampere, which is fine in most situations. But if we wish to drive more powerful devices like LCD screen or display or matrix, we cannot use this setup. Anyways, that is it for today, folks. Thanks for getting this far, and please leave a comment if you need any help regarding this project. Special thanks to PCBWay for supporting this project. Do check them out for getting great PCB service at a lower cost. Thanks again, and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon. Peace out.